theorem, tan inverse x is equal to x minus 1 upon 3 x cube plus minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 1 upon 2n 2n minus 1 x to the power 2n minus 1. So this is summation series, but this is called again a Gregori's series. Gregori's series. So we have to here find the proof for this. Define here tan x is equal to x, then theta is equal to tan inverse x. Since minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 1, that is x less than or equal to mod of x less than or equal to 1. It means minus pi less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 4. Minus pi by 4 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 4. Then the equation x is equal to tan x minus 1 by 3 tan cube x plus 1 by 5 tan to the power 5x minus here plus minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 1 upon 2n minus 1 into tan 2n minus 1 upon tan 2n minus 1 into x plus in this manner we have. So this will be satisfies for theta, that is tan equal to tan theta minus 1 by 3 tan cube theta plus 1 by 5 tan raised to 5 theta minus this series. Again here tan inverse x can be defined x minus 1 upon 3 x cube plus 1 by 5 x to the power 5 minus series like this. Of course tan theta is equal to x. Understand? So here we have tan x is equal to x, theta is equal to tan inverse x. In this manner tan theta is equal to x. This is theta. Then theta is equal to, we have defined tan theta is equal to x. Then theta is equal to tan inverse x. So in this manner we have this result. This is a computation of pi. So which type of series this? This whole is the Gregori's series. The whole is the Gregori's series. Now the generalization of Gregory's theories is theorem. So if n pi minus pi by 4 less than or equal to x n pi plus pi by 4, then x minus n pi can be written as tan x minus 1 upon 3 tan square x plus 1 by 5 tan to the power 5x, like this. So this result contained, it is generalization of Gregory's theories. Generalization of Gregory's theories. So see this proof for x is equal to n pi plus theta, extended value. So let n pi minus pi by 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to n pi plus pi by 4. So that is n pi minus pi by 4 less than or equal to n pi plus theta less than or equal to n pi plus pi by 4, that is minus pi by 4 less than equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 4. So the Gregory series for theta, we write theta is equal to tan theta minus 1 upon 3 tan cube theta plus 1 by 5 tan to the power 5 theta. That is now tan x is equal to tan n pi plus theta equal to tan theta. Here we have to writing theta is equal to n pi and tan theta is equal to tan x is equal to tan theta. Yes, hence we have to put this into this here x minus this is 1 and this is 2, hence we have to put into this in 1 and 2. By putting tan x is equal to tan theta in 2 in equation 2, we get number 1. So in this manner we can have the solution for this. Then we'll try to find x lies between the two numbers. So we have to take example 19 pi upon 4 and 20 x pi, 20 pi upon 4. So we have to look into this solution for this. 19 pi by 4 is equal to it can be written 5 pi minus pi by 4. 4 into 5 pi, 20 pi minus pi, that is 19 pi by 4. So here 21 pi upon 4 is equal to 5 pi plus pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So 5 into 4, 20 pi plus pi, that is 21 upon 4. So like this. So we have here, since 19 pi by 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 21 pi by 4. So we have 5 pi minus pi by 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 pi plus pi by 4, that is equal to, here n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. In this way we have to find the value of n. Alright. In this way we have to find out n. So number 2. Minus 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus pi plus pi by 4. Here 4 into pi minus 4 into minus pi, minus 4 pi plus pi upon 4, that is minus 3 pi by 4, and this 5 minus 5 by 4 minus 5 pi by 4 is equal to minus pi by 4. So it can be minus pi by 4 less than x less than or equal to minus pi plus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4. So we can guess here the value of n is equal to minus 1. Value of n is equal to minus 1. In this manner we have to find out the value of n. Alright. Here we have, yes, here n is equal to 5 pi, here minus pi by 4 less than or, yes, less than or equal to 5 pi plus pi by 4. So we have here minus 1, yes, minus, in this way we have n is equal to minus 1. Hence, so we have to again solve Euler's series. Euler's series. So in this theorem, yes, if we have given pi by 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 to the power 3 plus 1 upon 5, 1 upon 2 to the power 5 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 to the power 2, 1 upon 3 into 3 to the power 3 plus 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5 to the power cube minus. So here this is the Euler series. This is the Euler series. So that must be equal to, how it is? Yes, proof for this. Substituting x is equal to 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 in x square plus 1 upon n minus 1, again x to the power n minus 1, is minus infinity less than or equal to x less than or equal to infinity. So in this manner we have to understand that. So we get here tan inverse 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 to the power 3 plus 1 upon 5 to the power 1 upon 2 to the power 5, then and tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into 1 upon 3 cube, 1 by 5 upon 1 by 3 to the power 5. So that is tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3, that is equal to right hand side of the equation, this one. So this is equal to tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3. So it will come then tan inverse 5 by 6 upon 5 by 6 is equal to tan inverse 1. So that is right hand side of the equation. This is equal to pi by 4. That is equal to right hand side of the equation, right hand side of equation. So in this manner Euler series can have this form, Euler series. Machine series. So in the theorem, pi by 4 is equal to 4 into 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 5 cube plus 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5 to the power 5. Minus 1 upon 239 minus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 239 to the power 3 plus 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 239 to the power 5. So machine series, how it comes, all this? Yes, so this will be proof. We have 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 is equal to tan inverse 2 by 5 1 minus 1 upon 25. So that is 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. This is equal to tan inverse 5 by 12. So then for tan inverse 1 by 5 is equal to 2 tan inverse 2 yes 5 by 12 is equal to tan inverse 10 by 12 upon 1 minus 25 by 144. So this is equal to tan inverse 120 upon 119. So likewise this can be noted here also. Then yes, then किती मिनिट झालं? Then this right hand side of the equation is equal to 4 tan inverse 1 by 5 minus tan inverse 1 by 239. So by the equation which is exponential series by the exponential series e to the power x equal to 1 plus x plus 1 upon 2 factorial into x square plus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial x to the power n minus 1 where minus infinity less than or less than equal to x less than equal to infinity. So here we have by this exponential series tan inverse 120 upon 199 minus tan inverse 1 upon 39. This can be noted tan inverse 120 119 minus 1239 upon 1 plus 120 by 119 into 1 upon 239. result will be tan inverse 1, that is equal to pi by 4. This is 45 degrees. Alright. So this is contain all this exponential series. Likewise, this is called a machine series. Machine series. Machine series itself, it contain exponential series. Then Rutherford series. Rutherford series theorem. For tan inverse 1 by 5 minus tan inverse 1 by 70 plus tan inverse 1 upon 99 is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4. So this is nothing but the proof for this. Tan inverse 1 upon 70 minus tan inverse 1 upon 99, that is equal to tan inverse 1 upon 70 minus 1 upon 99 upon 1 plus 70 into 1 into 99, that is equal to tan inverse 29. The calculation of this whole is 6931. So that is tan inverse 1 upon 239. Then left hand side of the equation of the series, yes, that is equal to 4 tan inverse 1 by 5 minus tan inverse 1 upon 239 is equal to pi by 4, that is 45 degrees. So this is by fourth theorem. This is by theorem, previous theorem, that is machine series we have. So tan, in Rutherford series, the theorem says 4 into tan inverse 1 by 5 minus tan inverse 1 by 70 plus tan inverse 1 by 99 is 45 degrees. So where this is equal to 45. So where it is like this statement is made, so we have to understand that is a Rutherford series. That is a Rutherford series. Again, summation. So we study summation of series whose term contain the circular function sines and cosines and hyperbolic sines and cosines. The use of convergent expansions has been made. So working procedure for finding the sum. Suppose denote the series C if the term contains cos nx and by s if the term contains sin nx. So for example, sin x into cos x plus sin square x into cos 2x plus sin square x into cos 3x plus like this up to, suppose this is the series C. And cos x into sin x plus cos square x plus sin 2x plus cos cube, here sin cube x into sin 3x is equal to yes. If C is given, write yes from it by replacing cos nx by sin nx without disturbing the quantities. Similarly, to write C, from the given yes, change sin nx to cos nx. So we can obtain here C plus is. So this will contain a term like this, cos mx plus I sin mx. So write e to the power I mx for cos mx plus I sin nx I sin mx, where m is equal to 1, 2, like this. Then the C plus is will be one of the form immediately. Separate real, separate real part and imaginary part. In separating the real and imaginary, in separating the real and imaginary parts of the sum of the form n by d, multiply above, below, and the complex conjugate is there. So we have this, likewise this. So in geometric series also we will find here C plus is, C plus is. So in this case, series based upon exponential series is there. So we will calculate C plus IS. C means yes, real part it contain, and IS, that is the imaginary part it contain. So you might be understood. Here some of the series example, some of the series x into sin x minus x square upon 2 into sin 2x, sin 2 theta plus x cube upon 3 into sin 3 theta. So minus, that is up to this. Then this equation, this series has a solution. The given series is S is equal to x into sin theta minus x square upon 2 into sin 2 theta plus x cube upon 3 sin 3 theta. The corresponding cosines is given by C is equal to x cos theta minus x square upon 2 cos 2 theta plus x cube upon 3 into cos 3 theta. So it will come then C plus IS, that is equal to x into cos theta plus I sin theta minus x square upon 2 cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. So that will be x into e to the power I theta minus a square by 2 e to the power 2 I theta plus x cube upon 3 e to the power 3 I theta minus, to write the series on the right hand side, is log of 1 plus x, then C plus I is equal to log of 1 plus x into e to the power I theta, that is equal to log of 1 plus x cos theta plus Ix into sin x. So that is equal to log R plus I into R. So this is the equation A. So we have here where R is equal to 1 plus x cos theta plus x sin theta square, that is equal to root of 1 plus 2x cos theta plus x square, and phi is equal to tan inverse x sin theta upon 1 plus x cos theta. It means we have to put imaginary parts and we will have the result. So like this. Okay, the topic is completed and I am going to start now theory of equation in the next lecture. Theory of equation.